Hi everyone, it's Princess Exora. Today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks that I like to do to stay healthy and that are just overall healthy minded. So let's get into it. 1. If you're going to the gas station or any convenience store, if you're not willing to spend the extra money for something healthier, did you really want it? Think about it. If you just wanted a little snack and you're not too far home, but you did have to stop for gas and you're at the gas station, if you're not willing to pay $1 for a banana or $5 for a fruit cup, did you really want that snack? So that's my tip. If you don't want to spend the extra money for healthy things, just don't get it. But if you're willing to and you really do need that snack, spend that extra money if you have the luxury. Obviously, if you don't have the luxury, you can't do that, but if you do, this tip will save you. Just don't do it. Not worth it. Tip number 2, what most of you probably already know, don't park your car closest to the building. You want to park your car as far away as you can because you want to get those steps in. As many steps as you can, even if you're not working out, is the best option for you, because who doesn't want to lose more by walking more? And at the same time, the more you do it, you won't see it as I'm walking across this long parking lot. No, you're saying, I'm just getting my steps in. Tip 3, always take the stairs. I don't care, unless your knee's broken, you can't walk up the stairs, or something's wrong with you, take the stairs. Okay, if it's more than 5 floors, okay, that's different. Maybe take the elevator. But if it's like 4 or 5 floors, take the stairs. Even if you need a little bit of breaks, because the more you do it, the easier you'll get, and the better you'll feel. Think about it. You're trying to get those steps in. Take the stairs. It can help you get those steps in. And plus, if you don't work out and the only thing you have at work or something like that is the stairs, so you might as well just take them. And it's very helpful. And yeah. Tip number 4, drink something acidic. Something like apple cider vinegar, lemon water, or like a Japanese vinegary drink type of thing really helps with the microbiome. It also kind of helps with your hunger cues. In my personal experience with apple cider vinegar and lemon water, it does kind of help me curb my appetite a little bit, and I don't eat as much, which for me is a good thing. But if it's not your thing, then hey, it's just a tip. Tip number 5, work out when you want to work out. It could be the crack of dawn, it could be in the middle of the night, it could be any time you want. As long as you get that workout done, get it done. I'm someone who loves to procrastinate and struggles just like taking action immediately. So if I'm randomly feeling like going to the gym at 2 a.m., best believe I'm at the gym at 2 a.m. Because at the end of the day, as long as you get it done, that's what matters. And that kind of reminds me of these videos. As long as I get these videos done, that's what matters. Because I'm trying to prove to myself that I can do this. And I can. So yeah, if you gotten this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Those are my 5 healthy tips that I live by. I guess I would say on a day-to-day basis, but I would say like a week-to-week basis type of thing. But yeah, try it out. If it works for you, please let me know. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.